To initialize the homes, I ended up using two for loops because I wanted them on alternate sides of the street. If you recall from my example, I've got houses on both sides of the street. What I did was I made a total of 50 homes. And then in one for loop, I started at 0, said I is less than 50, then increase I by 2. So I was only initializing the even numbered homes. And then I gave them a starting X location of 75, so the left side of the street. This is just spacing them out evenly, so they're 300 pixels apart, and I put them at times negative I, so they all start above the screen in negative numbers. And this variable is just is to say I use this to determine if it was a customer or not, basically, or actually just to select the fill. So if a random number between 0 and 3 will actually give me a value between 0 and 2.999. In the houses class, what I did was I said it took in that float variable and set it equal to the customer variable in my program, and just said if it was less than 1, then make it gray so it's not a customer, and the rest of them become blue. The state is just so I could check to see with intersection, if you watch the above video about intersection, to see if it's going to be a house I want to deliver paper to, if it'll give me a point when I hit it with a paper. But anyway, back to my arrays. So then in the next for loop, I start at 1, and if I is less than 50, I equals I plus 2, which means that I'm initializing all the odd number houses. So I initialize a total of 50 homes, just 25 in this first loop and 25 in the second loop. And again, in the second loop, I'm passing in a starting X value for 25, so the right side of the street.